friends, today we will see session number 11 in Catia. More toolbars are there, somewhat manipulating components, explode, see exploding a constraint assembly, manipulation on clash, snap subtoolbars, assembly features are there. This reference describes the assembly features behaviors in assembly document and their resulting features in a part document. The different assembly features you can create are split. The split command splits parts rapidly and very productively. You could actually split each part in the part designs workbench, but the assembly split command is more productive since it requires only one interaction. This task shows you how to split a product including four parts. You can split three of these parts by using a surface. We have seen a split one, whole series, pocket, and remove and add in previous sessions in a part designs. Second one is a whole. The assembly whole commands lets you create a holes going through different parts. You could actually create a hole for each part in the part design workbench. But the assembly whole commands available in a assembly designs workbench creates a holes more rapidly and more productively. The command creates a hole going through several parts in only one interaction. Whole series is the new concepts of a whole series. Let's you create a different holes cutting the individual parts of an assembly. The series options available in the whole command. Let's you determine the parts that are to be cut or not, and the whole types of to be defined for these parts. These sections helps you to create a one assembly holes features composed of three different holes, cutting of four parts. Pocket is there. Pocket. Creating a pocket consists in extruding a profile and removing the materials resulting from the extrusion. So you could actually create a pockets for each part in the part designs workbench and remove and add. This task shows you how to remove a body from to parts in the assembly context and add. This task shows you to how to add several parts belonging to a same product. Creating scenes means this task shows you how to create a sense. Since enables you to work on the evolutions of an assembly in a separate window from the actual assembly and to impart updates to the assembly as you fit. Save a copy of an assembly in a separate window. Work on the evolution of that assembly directly on the assembly. And to revert to the saved copy, if you are not satisfied with the modifications, you can use the since assembly. Space analysis toolbars are there, clash, sectioning, distance are there, and catalog browser. The catalog browser provides interactive commands to browse the catalog. It is available in several workbenches. Example, assembly designs, part designs, generative shape designs, and drafting. And it enables you to initiate the components. Let's see in Catia. Let's see existing component. We need to just click on product and click on existing component. Here you can see, and then click on whole. I want this one and open. You can see this one is a open. I need to just fix it. Click on this fix and select this one. After that, I want to take another parts in the assembly, then existing component and select a pin and open. You can see this one is a assembly of your parts. Then firstly we will see explode. What is the explode? When you are just clicking on it and product 1 and product 2, select and apply. You can see this one is a explode, means different, not a continue and not a connected. It is a different explode one. Yes. Now we will see move manipulations. You can see move manipulations. Select this one and select x-axis or y-axis, whichever you want, and select object. I want this one, and you can see z-axis, and I want another one, y-axis. You can see this one is a y-axis, and x-axis. You can see this one is a x-axis, and next one is a x-y axis or arrow. You can see next one is a xy. You can see, and next one is a yz. Yz plane is moving, xz, then x, y, z. Rotate it. Yes. Today we have seen how to assemble two parts, and next one is the next command is explode and move manipulations. Today's session is completed. Thank you.